let's go. Now we are given y equal to 1 over 4x minus 5, and we want to solve this problem using the chain rule. Okay, now the first thing to do is, you can see I told you in my last video that whenever you see question that has brackets and a power, then it's likely that that question can be solved using the chain rule. So we are going to put this in bracket form. So I'm going to write this as 4x minus 5 is about minus 1. I just applied my law of indices here, okay? Now, this term inside this bracket, I'm going to say let u be equal to 4x minus 5. So, this term inside this bracket, I'm calling it u. So the next thing I'm going to do now is that since my u is replacing this, therefore this y will become u is about minus 1. Can you see that? Okay, so what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to differentiate both equations, this equation and this equation. So because I'm having u and x here, so I'm going to be differentiating u with respect to x. So that's the u dx. So let's differentiate this gives me 4. If I differentiate this gives me 0. Now let's come to this one. Since I'm having y and u here, I'm going to be differentiating y with respect to u. So if I differentiate this, I'll be having minus u is about minus 2. Okay? So now let's apply our chain rule now. Recall that our chain rule says that the y dx is equal to the y du multiplied by du dx. So this is what our chain rule say, okay? So now let's apply that now. So which means that our dy du, what's our dy du? We have gotten it here as minus u is about minus 2. And our du dx, we've gotten it here as 4. So this times 4. And when you do that, this times 4, that will give us minus 4u is about minus 2. Now, this is supposed to be our final answer, but recall that our final answer, the variables are, our initial answer, our initial question, the variables are only y and x. So I'm going to replace back the value of u, which means that my answer is going to be, let me come here, my answer is going to be minus 4 bracket. So let me put my value for u again here. So in place of this u, I'm placing 4x minus 5, then raised to the power of minus 2. Okay, so that is our answer, but we can as well choose to put it in fraction form since this one is already in fraction. So if I'm to put this in fraction form, that will give me minus 4 all over 4x minus 5 all squared. So this is the solution to this question. I hope you've gained value. Don't forget to like, to follow us